YouTube. This is the RPG Man 333 here with a video because I was bored. So, yeah, I just decided to show you that. But this video was made so that I could show you. Oh, dang it! My puppy. My puppy. His name is Dexter. He woke up just now. Dexter! Hi, Muffin. He's tired. Bless you. That's Dexter. And this is Miss Bailey. This is Miss Bailey. She's a German Shepherd mixed with a pit bull. No! Hey. That's my puppies. They love each other. Babe, don't have to be naughty. So, yeah, that's my video. I'm bored for my answers. So, thanks for watching.